Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. We had completed this chapter 8, Animals Everywhere. I hope whatever prep is given on regular basis, you are doing that and completing your work. Don't keep it for the last day. Today we will discuss textual exercise. Keep your textbook open. Page number 79. Today we are discussing question A, B and C. Question A, take the correct answer. Question B, change the underlined words to make correct statements and rewrite the correct statements in your notebook. That we are doing. And question C, write short answers. Let me remind you that this saying will be given in your prep also. Question A, tick the correct answer. From this uploaded video, you have to tick in your textbook only. Question A, you have to tick mark in your textbook. But question B and C, you have to write, you have to copy down in your class workbook. Question A, tick the correct answer. A frog is an amphibian because it can live on land and in water. You know, amphibians are animals, those who can live both on land and in water. Second, whales and dolphins are classified as fishes, reptiles, mammals or amphibians. Answer will be mammals. Third, this animal has scales on its body. Options are fish, deer, zebra, ostrich. Answer will be fish. This bird cannot fly. You know, though birds are having wings, but there are some birds which cannot fly. Kiwi, ostrich, all these are the flightless birds. So in that, ostrich, answer will be fourth answer. Ostrich is a bird which cannot fly. Fifth one, locusts are harmful migratory. Answer will be insects. Locusts are harmful migratory insects. 6. The water boatman uses its legs as. There are so many water insects in that water boatman. They use their legs as oars. Answer will be oars. Again, page number 79. Keep your textbook open. Question B, change the underlined words to make the correct statement. Here these underlined words are not the correct. In that place you have to write the correct word and you have to rewrite the statements in your notebook. Question B, copy down answers in your science classwork. First one, animals get their supply of oxygen from food. No, from the food they are not getting, from their surroundings. So your answer will be animals get their supply of oxygen from their surroundings. Second, the blood of an insect does not contain the carbon dioxide carrier called hemoglobin. You know, in the hemoglobin carrier is present which is oxygen but not the carbon dioxide. So your answer will be the blood of an insect does not contain oxygen carrier called hemoglobin. So because of this only the insects, they don't have blood red in color because they don't have oxygen carrier in their blood. Third, the mass movement of animals from one place to another is known as hibernation. It is not hibernation but it is migration. So your correct statement will be the mass movement of animals from one place to another is known as migration. Fourth one, gills are special organs with which all mammals breathe. It is not gills, but the mammals, they breathe through their lungs. So your answer will be Lungs are the special organs with which all mammals they breathe. Mammals like ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. Mammals they don't crawl on their legs. They are insects like ants and cockroaches are the insects. They crawl on their legs. So question B, write this correct statement in your classwork. Question C, write short answers. For this you have to keep your textbook open. See the questions in your textbook. Here answers are given. First question, why do animals need to take in oxygen? Answer, animals take in oxygen while breathing because oxygen burns the food within their bodies and releases energy for various activities. Second question, why do animals need to move? Animals need to move in order to search for food, protect themselves and their babies from being hunted, and build resting and the breeding places. Third, what is the difference in the way a tadpole and a frog breathe? Yes. What is the difference between a tadpole and the frog? How they are breathing? You know, tadpole, the young baby, the young frog, it is known as the tadpole. Answer is this. A baby frog or a tadpole breathe through its gills, whereas an adult frog, they breathe through its lungs on land and through its moist skin in water. Again, baby frog or a tadpole breathe through its gills, but adult frog on land वो लंग से ब्रीथ करते हैं और वाटर के अंदर मोइस्ट स्किन से. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ टेडपोल एंड अ एडल्ट फ्रॉग. Fourth, what are the characteristic features of the teeth in the herbivorous? Yes, feeding organs we had seen in that carnivore or carnivorous, herbivorous animals also we had seen. So what are the characteristic features of the teeth in herbivorous? Answer, herbivorous animals like cows, goats and giraffe have sharp front teeth for biting and the strong teeth for chewing. Herbivorous animals, they eat green plants only, so they have sharp front teeth for biting and strong broad teeth for chewing. Fifth question, why do some animals migrate? Some animals migrate to escape harsh weather, to search for food, and to reach their breeding grounds. For this reason, they are doing the mass movement or they are migrating from one place to another place. Hope students you understood A, B and C question. Again, question A, tick in your textbook. No need to write in your classwork. But question B and C, write in your classwork book with the help of this uploaded video. And keep your textbook also open. When you see question answer questions, you have to see in your textbook. Thank you, students. Students, on page number 77, oral questions are given. That also you have to tick mark in your textbook. Choose the correct answer. First, most mammals have 2 limbs, 4 limbs or the 6 limbs. Your answer will be most mammals have 4 limbs. Second question, dash use 4 paddle-like limbs to push water back and to swim. Answer will be turtles. Turtles, they use 4 pedal-like limbs to push water back and to swim. Third question. Dash is a flightless bird. Emu, crow or an Arctic tern? Yes. Answer will be emu. Page number 77. Rectangle box. Oral questions given that you have to take marks. Page number 74. Again oral questions. Once we had revised, once we had done also, but by mistake if you had not done, then just now you can take mark. Page number 74. Oral questions given. Again 3 are given. First, amoeba breathe through its body surface. You know, microscopic animals, they breathe through their body surface. Second, a baby frog or a tadpole breathes through air tubes, body surface or the gills, through gills. Third question, dash breathe through lungs. Options given are birds, crabs or the prawns. Birds, they breathe through lungs. So page number 74 oral question, page number 77 oral question also you have to do beside this textual exercise and read your textual chapter also. Thank you students.